Hey there, fellow travelers. Today, we're taking a virtual journey to the beautiful island of Jamaica, where we'll be exploring the hidden gem that is Xtabi Resort. Nestled on the stunning cliffs of Negril's West End, this 3-star property offers a unique blend of rustic charm and natural beauty that's sure to captivate your senses. So, grab your imaginary sunscreen, and let's dive into what makes Xtabi Resort a truly special destination. Let's start with the accommodations, shall we? Xtabi Resort offers a variety of room options to suit different tastes and budgets. The standard rooms are simple yet cozy, featuring tiled floors and basic amenities like safe boxes and work desks. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some of these rooms come with outdoor showers. Imagine rinsing off under the warm Jamaican sun with a gentle breeze caressing your skin. It's like nature's own spa treatment. However, keep in mind that these standard rooms don't have air conditioning or TVs, so if you're looking for more modern comforts, you might want to consider upgrading. Speaking of upgrades, let's talk about the seafront cottages. These little slices of paradise are perched right on the cliffside, offering breathtaking views of the Caribbean Sea. Unlike their standard counterparts, these cottages come equipped with air conditioning and TVs, perfect for those who want to cool off and catch up on their favorite shows after a day of adventure. But the real star of the show here is the full kitchen. Imagine whipping up a romantic dinner with fresh, local ingredients while watching the sun dip below the horizon. Now that's what I call a 5-star experience in a 3-star resort. For families or groups traveling together, Xtabi also offers 2-bedroom cottages near the pool area. These spacious units provide ample room for everyone to spread out and relax. Plus, with the pool just a stone's throw away, the kids, or the kid in you, can splash around to their heart's content. Just remember, folks, prices for all these room types can vary depending on the season, so it's always a good idea to check multiple booking platforms to snag the best deal. Now let's talk about food, because let's face it, that's half the reason we travel, right? Xtabi Resort's dining options might be limited compared to larger resorts, but what they lack in quantity, they make up for in quality and atmosphere. The resort's restaurant is housed in a charming thatched roof stone cottage, perched right on the cliffside. Can you picture a more perfect setting for a meal? The menu focuses on fresh seafood specialties and Caribbean cuisine, giving you a true taste of Jamaica. Guests often rave about the complimentary rolls and soup starters, a nice touch that shows the resort's commitment to hospitality. One of the highlights of dining at Xtabi is undoubtedly the view. Imagine savoring your jerk chicken or grilled snapper while gazing out at the endless expanse of the Caribbean Sea. As the sun sets, painting the sky in a riot of oranges, pinks, and purples, you'll understand why so many guests fall in love with this place. The dress code is casual, in keeping with the laid-back beach resort atmosphere. So no need to pack your fancy threads unless you really want to. And while reservations aren't explicitly required, it might be a good idea to check with the staff during peak seasons, just to be safe. Now, let's dive into the resort's aquatic offerings, shall we? While Xtabi might not have the sprawling pool complexes of larger resorts, it does have one small outdoor swimming pool near the garden area. It's perfect for a refreshing dip or a lazy afternoon float. But let's be honest, with the Caribbean Sea right at your doorstep, who needs a big pool? The real magic happens at the cliffside. Xtabi Resort is famous for its spectacular coral cliffs and private caves, which offer some of the best swimming and snorkeling spots you'll find in Jamaica. Imagine descending a set of stairs carved into the cliff face, arriving at a secluded cove where the crystal clear waters beckon. For the adventurous souls out there, you can even try cliff jumping. Just make sure to follow the staff's safety guidelines. The resort provides easy access to these natural wonders, allowing you to explore the underwater world teeming with colorful fish and coral formations. Now I know what some of you might be thinking, but what about a sandy beach? Well, while Xtabi doesn't have a traditional sandy beach on site, the famous 7 Mile Beach is just a short 15-minute walk or quick taxi ride away. So you can easily have the best of both worlds, the dramatic cliffs and the powdery sand during your stay. When it comes to activities, Xtabi Resort takes a less is more approach, focusing on the natural beauty of its surroundings rather than organized entertainment. There's no formal weekly entertainment schedule or flashy shows, which might be a drawback for some. However, for those seeking peace, relaxation, and a chance to reconnect with nature, this could be the perfect setup. The resort doesn't have a fitness center or extensive spa facilities, but who needs a treadmill when you have the great outdoors? You can get your exercise by exploring the cliffs, swimming in the sea, or taking a stroll along the nearby beach. As for wellness, the soothing sound of waves crashing against the cliffs and the gentle sea breeze are nature's own spa treatment. For families traveling with children, it's worth noting that Xtabi doesn't offer a dedicated kids club or extensive child-focused activities. This resort is more geared towards couples, nature lovers, and families who enjoy creating their own adventures. That said, the natural surroundings provide plenty of opportunities for family bonding, from snorkeling in the caves to watching for sea turtles from the cliffs. One of the great things about Xtabi's location is its proximity to some of Negril's most popular attractions. Just a 15-minute walk away is the world-famous Rick's Cafe, known for its cliff divers and spectacular sunset views. If you're feeling brave, you might even try a dive yourself. The historic Negril Lighthouse is about 2.6 kilometers away, offering panoramic views of the coastline. And of course, there's the aforementioned 7-Mile Beach, perfect for long walks, water sports, or simply soaking up the sun. Now let's talk about the overall experience at Xtabi Resort. This place consistently receives positive reviews across various platforms, with guests praising the attentive staff, breathtaking location, and excellent value for money. The resort ranks around 84th in the local area on TripAdvisor, which is pretty impressive considering the competition. However, it's important to note that Xtabi is not a luxury resort, and some guests have mentioned that the rooms, particularly the standard ones, could use some updating. But many find that the spectacular views and unique natural features more than make up for any lack of modern amenities. So, what makes Xtabi Resort stand out from its competitors? It's all about location, location, location. The dramatic cliffside setting, private caves for swimming and snorkeling, and those jaw-dropping sunset views over the Caribbean Sea are truly one of a kind. Add to that the authentic Jamaican ambience, away from the hustle and bustle of larger resorts, and you've got a recipe for a truly memorable vacation. While Xtabi doesn't have extensive conference facilities, it does offer a unique setting for small gatherings or retreats. Imagine holding a team-building event or an intimate wedding ceremony with the Caribbean Sea as your backdrop. Now that's what I call an inspiring environment. Let's wrap up with some guest experience highlights, shall we? Many visitors rave about the exceptional service provided by staff members like Michael and Paul, who go above and beyond to ensure guests have a fantastic stay. There are stories of surprise room upgrades, staff members remembering guests' names and preferences year after year, and even impromptu music performances by local artists at the restaurant. One guest shared a particularly heartwarming story about how the staff helped arrange a surprise birthday celebration for their partner, complete with a specially decorated table at the Cliffside restaurant and a cake made by the chef. It's these personal touches that really make Xtabi Resort shine. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.